Ezra is so excited.
Ezra, wait for Mama, my love. Ezra, say hi. Hi, Mama. Cheese.
Shall we start na ba?
Yes. Ezra, wait for Kuya. Say hi, I'm Ezra. Say good morning. Hello. Here, come on, Kuya.
Let's go here. Let's go to the
Come on.
animals. Let's go see the animals.
Whoa. You see that? Come on.
Kuya Harvey is our tour guide for today.
Ako yung magiging farm guide niyo po ngayong araw. So ayan, naroon po tayong 10 hectares property, pero 4 hectares pa lang yung malalakaran natin dahil din pa lamang yung fully developed.
Okay.
So mayroon tayong 3 walking attraction, the petting zoo, which is pwede po nating ma-encounter at makawakan yung different kinds of animal dito sa Yoki's Farm. Then, next one po is the hydroponics garden. So, nandun po yung 3 kinds ng lettuce natin. And pwede
Lettuce?
Lettuce po, ma'am.
Wow, okay.
Ayan, pwede rin pong bumili after the tour.
Oh.
And last walking attraction po is the museum.
Museum.
Yes po. Nandun po yung mga artifact na collection po ni Mr. Yoki from different countries considered as antique. So,
Cool.
dito po ang ating first station dito sa ating
Hey, jump.
koi fund. Let's go see the fish.
Huh? Fish? Kuya, gonna bring you to the fish. What's your name po? Again, I'm sorry.
Harvey po.
Harvey. Kuya Harvey. Kuya Harvey. Kuya Harvey will bring you to the fish. Merong rabbit today.
Yes, ma'am.
Mamaya.
Dito sa museum. Nandun po banda yung rabbit.
Okay, dati kasi nag-feeding kami dito. Galing na kami dito before. Wala dyan ngayon. Ha?
Second time po.
Apo.
Lumilipat po siya ngayon. Dito sa may museum.
Ah. Say hi, ate. Hi, ate.
This is the fish.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Say hi, fish. Hi, fish. I'm Ezra.
So, on the other side naman po, andito po yung
Look, baby.
mas malalaking mga koi fish.
Koi fish. Big one. Big one.
Fish, kuya. Look. Hi, fish.
Oh my, so big. Hi, fish. I'm Ezra. Hi, baby Ezra.
Sa kabila, ma'am. Freshwater
So
stingray.
big.
Here, kuya.
Wow.
Look that one. Did you see that one?
Say hi, fish. So big.
Hi, fish.
I'm Ezra. Hello, fish. I'm Ezra.
Thank you, ma'am. Freshwater stingray. Look, kuya.
Oh, stingray. Look at
Hi,
that.
stingray.
Look, my love. There's a circle here. Circle fish. Stingray. My love, come on. Look. Look. Oh, he cannot see it.
Excited na sa next.
I know. Thank you, Kuya, for the fish.
Okay, let's go to the
Ezra,
birds.
say thank you, Kuya Harvey.
Let's go. Let's go see the birds.
Oh, birds. What does the bird says? Tweet.
You want to see the birds?
Look. Kuya Harvey, look.
Ayan, ma'am, dito po may playground. So, makikita niya po. Or dito po muna tayo sa birds. Sige po, dito na lang po tayo sa birds.
Opo, kasi nasabi mo na. Excited na siya.
Let's go to the birds. Let's go.
Look. Oh, look. Kuya Harvey. Kuya Harvey will take you to the birds.
Meron din po tayong food court and playground para idea. Dito na po yung playground.
Wait for Kuya Harvey and Mama. Look, playground. Come on. Ay, jump, big jump. Let's go playground. My love, we're not here for the playgrounds. We're here for the animals. Ay, big jump. Ay, jump. Big one.
Yeah.
Ay, big one, big jump.
Let's go to the birds. Let's go to the birds first.
Playground.
Gonna feed the birds.
Thank you for opening the door, Kuya Harvey. Say thank you, babe.
Careful, watch your step.
Thank you. Are you excited? Oh, big jump. Look at that.
Let's go. Hey.
Do you remember Blackjack, Ezra? Let's go to the birds. Hi, birds. Look, what is it? Whoa! Look at that, Ezra. Big bird. What?
Which one do you like? Here.
My love, which one? Yellow? Black?
This one.
What?
Open your hands. Open your hands. Open your hands like this.
Whoa! Come on, baby. Come on.
Here, open your hands.
Hold it. Come on, babe.
Okay.
Whoa! Big, oy, big jump. Come on, look at mama. My love, look at mama.
Look. Say hi,
Wow!
Mango.
Say hi. Look up.
Hi,
Look
Mango.
up. Oh, Mango. The name is Mango.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Mango.
about
I'm
this one?
Ezra.
Okay, Ezra.
Oh, you want it in your feet? You want it in your feet? Not in your feet, my love. Mango. Hi, Mango.
Open your
Look.
hand.
Oh, your hand.
Open your hand. You want?
Oh, no, baby, my love. Not in your feet, please.
You want to
Come on.
try it on your hand? Okay. It's okay.
Oh, Mango don't want to.
How about on your head?
It's so cute.
Another one?
And another one. Wow! Thank you. And what's the name of the other bird?
This one po ay si Asta.
Asa and Mango.
Pwede po tayong umupo, ma'am. Lagyan ko po kayo ng birds. Then picturean ko po kayo.
No need picture po. Thank
Okay
you. Where are you going, babe?
I want to go to the other side. The capybara.
Bye, birds. Say bye, birds first, my love. Bye,
You want to the capybara?
birds.
Or you want the birds again? Which one?
Birds again.
The yellow one?
Ay, big jump. Big one.
Big one? Here. On your head.
No more na. Next. No more na. Thank you, Kuya Harvey. Say thank you, babe. Another side? Okay. Another bird? Okay. Uy, big jump.
Good job.
Bye, birds.
Look, a turtle.
Turtle, babe. Oh, look at that, my love. Turtle.
Turtles and mga wood ducks. Ayun din po sa kabilang side. Look,
Look.
the duck.
Look, birds and turtle. Say hi, turtle. Say bye, turtle.
What's the sound of the duck? Quack, quack. Wow, very good.
Quack, quack, quack. Uy, big jump. Uy, jump. Uy, jump. Uy, jump.
Wow.
Uy, jump.
Oh, big jump.
Uy, big jump. Uy, big jump. Uy, big jump.
So, andito po yung
Babe,
mga
look, big
capybara.
bird. Say bye, bird.
Look, what is that one? Say hi, capybara.
Oh, wow. Hi, capybara. I'm Ezra.
Capybara po is the largest rodent ay family ng mga daga.
Oh, it's a
Isipin niyo
rat.
nung ganyan po yung daga na makita niyo sa bahay niyo.
Ikaw na yung lumipat.
Yes, ma'am. Parang ganun lang yung isipin natin.
Ikaw na mag-adjust. Oh, look over there.
Oh, look. Look up.
Look over there. What do you
This
see?
one is
Oh,
the
bird.
Owl. Eagle owl.
Wow.
How about the monkey? You want to see the monkey?
Come on, let's go next. What does the monkey says?
Let's go this way. Let's go to the
Let's follow Kuya Harvey. Let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Look at the monkey.
He's so distracted by playground.
Look at the monkey. Say hi, monkey.
Oh, look, monkey, baby. Let's go, monkey. You're so distracted with the playground, my love. Let's go, monkey first. We will come here later. Hi! Whee! Come on, let's go monkey, my love.
Let's go to the zebra.
Zebra baby, come on. Say bye, playground. Say hi to the monkey, babe.
Go hi to the donkey first. Here. Hi, Spunky. Look. Hi, Spunky.
Hi, monkey.
This one. The other one, no. The other one.
You're too close, my love.
Oh, he's playing.
Not too close.
Look.
Hi, monkey. Hello. High five.
How about this one? You want to shake hands?
Oh, shake hands. Come on. Oh, wow. Look at that. Shake hands.
Let's go. Here.
Come on, my love.
Hello. Say hi, Lovey.
Hi, Lovey. Shake hands. Look at mama. Look at mama.
Lovey.
Ezra. Lovey.
Lovey.
Hi, Lovey.
And
Hi.
ingat na lang din sa accessories po, ma'am.
Oh, they gonna take it?
Minsan po, snatcher yan eh.
Hi.
Ayan. Attract na po.
Ezra.
You want to go to the zebra?
Ezra's back to the
Let's go
playground.
to the zebra!
Come on!
Let's go.
Come on! Let's
We're
go
gonna
to the
feed the
zebra! Come on, let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Zebra.
Oh, zebra.
Okay, let's go.
Bye! Bye, monkey!
How about the iguanas? You want to see the iguanas?
Whoa! Iguanas.
Let's go this way.
Oh!
How about the spider?
Ah, spider, babe!
Go find the frog. Where is the frog here?
Oh my, where's the frog?
Where is the frog? Did you see the frog?
How about... I found it!
I
found it.
The frog up there.
I found it, babe. Do you see the frog? How about you? Do you see it? Mama found it. Oh, that one turtle.
Mga for sale na tortoise.
Ah.
Look, this
It's
one.
not turtle, my love. It's frog.
Yan is yung turtle. So that is the most dangerous turtle po.
Oh, this one?
Snapping turtle. Yes po.
Oh, the most dangerous turtle. Snapping turtle.
Makaputol ng daliri.
Oh, wow.
Makagat po tayo.
Ooh.
Look. Say hi to the, to the...
Look, Kuya will show you. Oh, thank you, Kuya. He's showing you the frog.
Ayan. Hi.
Hi, frog. Look up there. What is it?
The light?
Really, Ezra?
How about that one? The iguana. Let's go to the iguana.
This is for sale.
And for sale po ng mga
Ito.
turtles. Look up here. Hi.
This is so big.
Hi, iguanas.
Look up there.
How
He
about
said,
this
look
one?
up there. Oh, what is it? Look up there.
It's an empty one. Go up here. There are two rides. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, here.
Oh, look, 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 look.
Hi.
There you go.
How about this one? The
Hi.
spider.
No touching, okay? No, 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 no touching my baby.
So yan po yung
Hi, Spider. Yes, only say hi. Look up there. Look up there. What's in there? Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Here. Look.
Say hi, my love. No touching, okay?
I think
Say
the dragon.
hi. Look up there.
Which one? The
Look up
lights?
there. Oh, look, snake man.
And so, the transfer. How about this one, kuya? Medyo para sa yung tarantula. Tapos sa kanya sa here. Look.
Is this alive? Oh, it's alive.
Yes po nga. Burmese python.
Oh, look
Sa
at
taas po isang albino. Ayan. Meron po yung genetic
Oh.
disorder. Kaya po plain white yung kulay niya.
albino.
Wow.
Hi, snake.
Albino.
My love, don't go too close. No, no, don't go too close, baby.
And sa
Bye.
pythons naman po, hindi po sila venomous.
Oh.
Unlike sa mga king cobra.
Say bye, snake.
Bye-bye, snake. Let's
Bye,
go to the
snake,
zebra.
babe. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the zebra.
So, andito rin po yung dogs natin. Ayan po ang Alaskan Malamute. So, as we all know po,
Dog.
mahilig sila sa malamig na panahon. Well, in fact, yung pong barn po na yun, meron po doong aircon, 24/7. And free will po nila kung kailan nila gusto.
Say hi.
Pumasok.
Hi, dog.
Nagpapalamig na po siya ulit. How about this one?
Oh. Ay, big jump.
Hi, Bandit!
Oh, wow.
Hi, Bandit!
Hi, Bundy. So big. Hello, Bundy.
Oh, where do you want to go? To the zebras? Are you excited to feed the zebra? No? Hi.
Where's the zebra?
Touching the ostrich or the horse. Let's go.
Yes. Please.
Okay, let's go to the zebra.
Let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Let's go to the zebra.
Yay. Ay, flying kiss pa. Let's go.
Ayan. So, ma'am, di ba second time niyo na po?
Apo.
Saan pa po pala kayo galing po? Lugar?
Dyan lang kami sa Tagaytay. Dito lang din.
Tagaytay din po.
Arrow. Let's go, Arrow. Let's go, Arrow. Ay, Arrow. Not there, my love. Arrow. Okay, you're showing us the arrow. Look, let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Go to the zebra.
Zebra.
Hello?
Arrow.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the zebra first, okay?
Okay, let's wait for Kuya Harvey.
Marty!
Marty.
Look at the zebra over there. Marty!
Hi, Marty. Ezra said, let's go to the zebra.
So dito po magpapakain po muna tayo ng zebra bago po tayo pumasok sa loob para hawakan yung ostrich and yung miniature horse.
Okay.
Look!
Ezra keeps saying, let's go.
Here, stand here. Look at
Let's go to the zebra.
Hi!
Hi, Marty. Say it. Say his name, my love.
Ayan,
Hi,
kaya po,
Marty.
ma'am, tulungan niyo po siya and videohan ko po kayo while feeding the zebra po.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go, feed mo yung zebra.
Hi, Marty. Hello. Good fashion.
Oops! Ayan, malakas po sila mag-grab ng food po eh.
Hi, Marty.
Ezra is singing for Marty.
Aww. Hi, Marty. Keep singing. Hello, Marty. Can we pet you?
Di po siya nagpapapet.
Hello, Marty. Come on.
I'll go give the food.
Bye, Marty.
Wow, very good. Now, let's go touch the ostrich.
Okay, thank you.
Ayan, papasok po tayo dito sa loob. Okay, let's go. Hold Kuya's hand.
Oh, wow. Look, Kuya's gonna bring you to the ostrich. Oh, you jump.
Wow, good job.
Let's let's go to the playground.
Let's go touch the ostrich.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that big birds. Hi, ostrich. Say hi, my love.
Touch mo yung back niya. Go.
Okay.
Touch mo yung back niya.
Hi.
Kuya will show you the ostrich.
Come on, my love.
Let's
Say hi only, no touching. Okay.
Look at
Look at the zebra.
He's sitting right.
Hello.
Which one? How about the horse?
Come
Want to
on.
touch the horse? Let's go.
Bye,
Hi,
ostrich.
Lola. Careful.
Lola, the name of the
Yes,
horse.
this one. White and brown na let me show you.
Hi, Lola.
Go this way. You can pet this one. Say hi.
Oh, they're nice. You can pet them.
Watch your step. You might step on the landmine, huh? Here.
Come here.
Here at the side.
Wow,
Like this, oh, like this.
look at that.
Let's go. You want to pet?
Hello, Lola. Only hi, huh? Hi, Lola. Only hi. You don't wanna, I don't wanna pet it. Just hi.
Okay.
Okay, let's go over there. Now you're touring us, huh? Be careful on the poop. Be careful. Be careful.
Careful. Watch your step. This way.
Whoa, what's the name of those?
So this one are the Bengala po or guinea fowl. Yung mga maliliit na pabo.
Oh, man.
Ayan, maingay din po yan tuwing umaga, ma'am.
Oh.
Quack, quack.
Let's go to the duck.
Let's go this way.
Say bye first. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, birds. So ngayon po, punta tayo sa ating mga pig. Makikita natin si Peppa Pig.
Oh. Are you happy?
Bye.
Oh, happy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Be careful with the poop.
Careful. Watch your step. Do you want to see Peppa Pig?
Oh, wow. Peppa Pig.
Go to the pig.
Ezra's so nice. He's watching his step. Ah, Papa! Come on. Be careful with the poop, my love.
You might step on the landmine. Sige ka. This way na lang po tayo.
Okay.
Let's go this way, kuya. Let's go here. Okay, let's go to the pigs.
Oh, pigs. Oh, thank you. He said, watch your step, Mama. You would step on the poop.
Oh, wow. You're the tour guide now, huh? Say hi to the sheep.
Ezra's so nice.
You want to touch?
You wanna touch the goat?
Hi.
No touching, no touching. Only hi. Only hi. Hi, goat. Excuse me, goat. Come on.
Look.
Oh, wow. Peppa Pig. Come on, Bella.
Say hi to the pig. This one. Hi, pig.
Hi, pig.
So, yan naman po mga pot-bellied pigs. Yan po yung inaalagaan sa mga bahay-bahay.
Ah.
Tinuturuan din po ng mga tricks.
Oh, really?
Yes po, ma'am. Nag-breed din po talaga yung mga sizes po nila. Look at the chicken.
Oh, it's so big.
Hi, chicken.
The chicken's so big.
Hi, hello. Say hi to the chicken.
Hi, chicken.
So this one
Okay, let's go over here. Arrow.
So ito po yung considered as the living dinosaur.
Oh,
the
wow.
Cassowary. So
Living
kung mapapansin po
dinosaur.
natin yung kanyang paa, katulad po ng paa ng Velociraptor.
Oh, wow.
Yung ano pa kayo ng dinosaur po ng araw.
Let's go to where? Ay, big jump.
Oh. T-Rex? He's not a T-Rex?
Oh, because you mentioned dinosaur.
Yes po, ma'am. Pero
That's why he wanna see
kahit po siya
T-Rex.
ng dinosaur na
T-Rex.
birds.
Yeah, T-Rex dinosaur, huh?
You like the
Yes.
T-Rex? Oh, what's the sound of the chicken? Oh, you hear that?
What does the chicken says?
How cute. How about the pig? What does the pig says?
What does the pig says? Arrow, big jump. Kuya Ardo's asking.
How about this one? Hi, ostrich. Bye-bye.
Huh?
So yan naman po mga native chickens. And this one po ay galing sa US. Yung mga Brahma chickens. So 10 kilos din po yung maximum kilos po nila.
Really?
Yes, po. How about the rabbits? You want to go to the rabbits? Let's go feed the rabbits. Let's go to the rabbits. You want to feed the rabbits? Okay. How cute.
Oh, Ezra said, be careful with the poop. There's no poop here anymore, my love. Thank you. Thank you for thinking of Mama.
Look at the poops.
Be careful, you might step on it, huh? Thank you, babe. Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you. Apo, arrow, arrow. Big jump. 1, 2, 3. Big jump. Oh, what? Big jump.
Ilang taon na po pala siya? Kaya po pala.
Big jump, big jump. Ay, big jump. Ay.
Here, another one arrow. Big jump, big jump. Here. So next po natin sa ating hydroponics garden sa mga rabbits po. Big jump, big jump.
Ay, arrow, big jump. Ah, big jump.
Let's go to the rabbits. Oh, another arrow. Big jump, big jump.
Ezra said, another arrow.
Okay, ready for the big jump. 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Here.
Where's the arrow?
Okay, let's go this way.
You're looking for the arrows, huh? Yeah. Where are you, arrow?
Here. Here's the arrow. Another arrow.
See that? Look, Kuya Arby is pointing it.
Ready for
Is
another
it?
big jump. Ready for another big jump. 3.
1, 2, 3. Yay! Big jump. Another one. So many arrows.
Wow.
So many arrows.
I want to see another arrow. Look. At this one. Another big jump.
Another big jump, Kuya Arby says.
Big jump. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Ay.
How about this one?
He's tired. Are you tired?
Ayan po yung
Pagod
alpaca. Chicken and alpacas.
Chicken and
White
alpaca.
po. Ayan po.
Yeah.
Another arrow.
Big jump. Oh! Only step, he's already tired. Come on. Ay, jump. Kumikisi pa.
Kala ko, tired na eh.
Ay, big jump.
Tulog po siguro ito mamamaya sa
Ah!
biyahe. Pag-uwi po.
Sigurado yan. Big jump. Ay, big jump. Big jump. Ay, big jump. So many arrows. Good morning.
Let's go to see.
Ay, big jump.
Another big jump.
Yay! He's clapping for himself.
Big jump, big jump.
There you go.
Ayan, so ito po yung ating mga lettuce. But
Lettuce.
nung previous months po, kaka-harvest lang po nung ilan. Kaya medyo minimal po yung ating tanim ngayon. How about this one, kuya? Try to touch the soil. Touch mo siya.
No, baby. No, baby.
Ayan, malambot
It's okay.
po yan dahil gawa po siya sa coconut husk and river sand. Kay mo, ma'am, touch.
It's okay po. No, thank you.
Oh,
Watch on the so funny.
touch on the
Thank you, babe. Yes.
How about
Thank
the
you.
rabbit?
Okay, my
Let's step
love.
on the arrow, like this. Yay!
Kuya said, let's go to the rabbit. Oy,
Wow,
big jump.
another big jump.
Let's go to the rabbit.
Let's go to the rabbits. Okay.
Let's go.
For another arrow. Go. Step on the other arrow.
Big jump.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump.
Ay, so big, so high.
Let's go this way.
What?
This way po.
Oh, come on, let's go to the
Let's go to
rabbit,
the
baby.
rabbits.
Let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Rabbits.
Let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Go to the rabbit.
Say hi, my love. Say hi, ate. My love, say hi, ate. Ezra. He's tired. Baby, say bye, ate. Ezra. He said bye, ate.
Rabbit.
Arrow. Let's go. There's another arrow.
How about this one? Another alpaca. Look. You want to see the arrow or the
Alpaca. And then there's Ezra. So many arrows.
Another arrow? Look.
Let's go, arrow, Ezra said.
There's no arrow?
Okay, look.
Ezra noticed that we are only allowed to go in if there's an arrow.
Look at the rabbits.
Look.
Let's go, let's go.
Rabbit. Where's the arrow?
Arrow?
No, my love,
Arrow
look.
is over there.
Look, rabbit first, my love. Come on.
Oh, the arrow.
There's no arrow here. Look, my love. Yes, baby, look.
Ezra follows rules.
Rabbit. Hello, rabbit.
Pwede po yan ito.
Ezra wanna go to the arrow instead. Come on. Okay, come on.
Tortoise. Let's go to the tortoise.
Oh, wow,
Let's go
tortoise.
this way.
Come on, let's follow Kuya Harvey.
Jump. Walk. Careful. Careful.
Big jump, big jump. Big jump. Oh, big jump.
Yoki's farm opens Monday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
And we're gonna feed the tortoise. Look. Look at them.
There.
Let's go inside. We're gonna feed the tortoise.
Big jump.
Another big jump. Here. Let's go.
Only high, okay?
Ready.
Come on, my love. Hello.
Oh, he's waiting
So
for
big.
you to feed.
So big, baby. Come on. Say hi, turtle. Bye.
Hi. Are you want to feed?
Aw. Say hi. Only hi, ha?
Okay, sige, only hi.
Yeah, only hi, turtle.
Nag-swim siya, oh.
Look.
So, yan po yung ating
Ezra's
Alba
giving
Brad.
distance. That's so nice. Say only hi, ha? No petting. Only hi.
Hello, D. So, yan po ay pangalan niya D dahil siya po ay disabled.
Oh.
Papansin natin, wala po siyang mga kuko.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Like on the other side.
Okay. You wanna say bye? Say bye to the turtle? Say bye, turtle.
Step on the poop.
Watch out. Watch out and poop.
Oh,
Come
watch
on.
out for their poops.
Come on, my love.
How about, let's go
Say-
to the museum or on the playground?
Museum, please.
Okay, po, museum. Let's go to the museum. This way. This way, this way. Okay, let's go. Another arrow. Arrow. Big jump, big jump. No, okay. Big jump, okay. Just like that.
No big
Step on the arrow.
He's already tired. No big jump. It's so funny.
Yoki's farm is located in Tabluan Road 1, Mendes Cavite. The price is P9.50 for entrance and P1.50 for feeding and a tour guide.
Say hi.
Ezra's saying hi to the other guests. Our next destination is the
Let's
museum.
hide to the Buddha.
They have the statues of Buddha and other animals.
We're gonna see Buddha, babe. Look, they're feeding the turtle, my love.
Ezra is so patient, even though it is so hot and requires a lot of walking.
Go close to Kuya Harvey.
Let's go to the museum.
My love, go close to Kuya Harvey. Look, there's arrow.
The Buddha there.
Go close to Kuya Harvey, babe.
Another arrow. Oh, look. Here. Another arrow.
Come on, my love.
Step on the arrow.
Come on, baby. Baby!
Where are you going? Let's go this way.
Look! You see that?
Or you want to ride to the animals?
Hold Mama's hand! Come on! Hold Mama's hand! There's nothing in there. Look, see that? It's dead end. Come on.
Horses here.
Oh, come on.
Here.
Hold Mama's hand. Come on, my love. Hold Mama's hand. Let's go this way. There's nothing in there. My love, there's nothing in there.
Ezra loves museum. I guess not today.
Oh, more turtle here. My love, there's nothing in there. See? It's dead end. Come on, hold Mama's hand. No. Oh no, okay. I think Dada's there. Baby.
Let's go inside the museum.
Let's go.
Let's gonna ride.
Ezra make up his mind not to go inside the museum.
Ah, come on.
How about the crocodile? You want to ride the crocodile?
No,
Statue.
no,
Ano
thank
statue?
you. Meron crocodile? Ah,
Statue lang. po,
ah,
ma'am.
statue. Ezra don't want to go to museum. Come on, let's go. Let's try. No, okay.
Where
Are you done? You want to go to the playground now?
Okay. Ang bilis ka usap.
Oh, let's go home. You're tired. Oh, hug. Oh, Ezra's tired. Diba? Oh my God.
Si baby.
Ezra's tired. Let's go home. Say cheese. Ezra's so tired. He wants to go. He wants to go. Didi. Say hi. Are you happy, my love? Say thank you, Kuya Harvey. Say thank you, Kuya Harvey. I'll see you later. See you later. Ezra is so hot and tired, so he wants to stay here for now. My love, your shoes. Remember, we're supposed to remove your shoes? Ah, okay. Come on, sit down. Mama will help you remove your shoes. Mama. Come on. Hug. Mama. They have food court here.
Spacious food court area.
Hi, babe. Hi, Dada. Let's wait for Dada, huh? Say thank you, Ate. You're welcome. Here, my love. Say thank you, Mama. Big jump. Big jump. Yes, I'm here. You can buy some stuff here. Say hi, babe. Are you happy?
Another playground near the parking lot.
Do you want to swing, my love? No, thank you. What do you want to do? Do you need Mama to help you? Just say it. Help Mama, please. Huh?
While waiting for Dada, hello, Ezra.
Stingray. Stingray. Stingray.
Yoki's farm map. Orientation hall. Museum. Buddha! Soon to open. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Smile.